Hey guys, and this is gonna be my fourth, and my game just crashed on me. What the frick? And the last video I'm gonna do today. If the game crashes again, don't worry about that. It's freaking crazy. I know, I do a lot. Well, it does a lot. I hate my computer. A lot. So, I'm bringing it up here, and it keeps crashing. This is going to be a freaking pain to do and see. You know, I just might go play SCP Foundation or something. That would download the mod. You know what? I'm going to do that instead. I'm going to play Five Nights at Freddy's 4. And my game won't crash. Yes, I want it to crash. Let me go back on YouTube. No, I crashed my freaking computer. Look at that. Look what I did. I've officially broke it. I'm the master of breaking things. Great, look at that. Well, I'll just play this. Yay! I got bored. I want to do something. I'm not going to be sitting here waiting to do crap. I hate this. Yay. I might not be able to record today. Playing on things. And Martha. Yes, I love Martha. Anyone to think one? Oh. I am a fan of Five Nights at Freddy's. So. But, wait, what? Thanks? I guess. I really didn't need to see that. Weirdos. Weirdos! Freaking weirdos. Come on. Yeah, I'm not going to be showing my face for the face cam because I'm using a phone and it's just going to suck unless I do. I'm only going to play a little bit. Not a lot. I'm not going to be tying my camera down to a water bottle and moving it like that. Come on and load! This freaking is... Can't even see the motion. Oh, what happened? I don't like Rainbow Dash. I don't even like Foxy. I just don't like Foxy telling people. What the frick? Come on. Should I read that? They should read all the notes and get a document to better story understand. Whatever, I can't read. The mod's still in development, so more content will be added later. If you're not Brody, you're gonna have bad times. Hi. You're really not ugly. I can't see your face. You all look the same. So, I was sticking against the walls. I can't see a thing. What if I just stand here? What will happen? What's gonna happen? Okay, I'll go. Shut your freaking mouth! Oh, wait, I'm gonna go that way. I'm sorry. No, I'm following you! It's really hard to do this for holding a phone, moron. You think I'm that dumb? I'd rather get my own little brother, or not my best friend, my frenemy thingy. I don't really like him to hold my phone for me. Hi. Hi, me. Oh, God, that scared me. I get scared easily. Derpy! My favorite! Oh, look at that stare. I don't know what's gonna happen. I never really played this game. I just know you don't blink. Oh. I can't zoom in right now. There. Oh! Hi! I'm only gonna record 7 minutes and the freaking moron! That hurt my face. I really do sound like I can't. My camera is not focusing. Focus, camera, focus! I'm gonna have to turn the light on. My camera is not. See, there we go. I gotta turn on the light. I'm really gonna have to adjust the brightening in the editing process because I can see. But you guys, you know, you just can't. The lighting in here is great. Really. I got them down there for I'm testing something. I'm not gonna record it. I do record 7 times. Like a day. I'm not that kind of YouTuber that holy freaking crap. Why aren't you uploading? I'm that kind of YouTuber that has that stuff in. Because my internet went bad. And I hate this so much. I do feel like the muffins. They should actually make Rainbow Dash with a bunch of muffins. And I'm going to have to turn on the light because it's really hard to see the wall. Yeah, no, it's not right around the room. I'm only recording a 10-minute video. Screw that! Why not play 5 Nights at Freddy's? Oh, well, because I can't do that right now. I have a tablet. I'll do it later. I just stepped on something. I don't know what the heck it is. Okay, I'm going to stop here. And let you guys figure out the rest. Because I'm not going to be able to do things. So I'm just going to save the key. Do this. Okay. Exit to finish. I'll do that later. I'll be uploading 3 pony videos and 1 Let's Play. I'm not sure. I'm that person that's in the comments. I know you can't really see